consequences of entering a plea in each of these counts and how it impacts your immigration status. It's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. CR 5260, State of Texas versus Arturo Contreras. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Travis Rodriguez for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Cesar Montalvo.
And Ms. Hudlin, you're here?
Your Honor, I was appointed to 10 unindicted cases. They were indicted on Thursday or Friday last week. That is apparently the plea that's moving forward this morning. So because Mr. Montalvo has been with Mr. Contreras Santos for a long time, we had discussed the case if we were going to go to trial, but since they've negotiated a plea and it was just indicted, he is putting his appearance of counsel to do the plea and move forward.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. And then counsel, even though you're just filing your notice of retained counsel today, have you actually been representing Mr. Contreras Santos in cause number 2023 CR 5260 for more than 10 days?
No, Your Honor, it's been less than 10 days, but the evidence in both cases is identical. And I have consulted with my client and he would waive those 10 days.
All right. Is that correct, Mr. Santos?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Santos, have you had ample opportunity to confer with Ms. Hetland in your counsel?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Right. And Ms. Hetland, you've had an opportunity to give counsel the information that's needed for this case?
Yes, it's limited. All we had was really the indictment and the original warrant, but it is all tied to a preceding case that apparently is going to be TIC'd. That's why it's kind of jumbled. That case started in 2021. And I think Mr. Montalvo has represented him for quite some time in that case, but the evidence is all correlated and tied in together. In that case, they're proceeding on the newer indicted case.
Yep, that is correct, Your Honor.
All right. All right, thank you.
Okay, may I be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
So counsel, in this case, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Contreras, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
I believe the state is proceeding on counts 1 through 5.
At this stage, the courtroom hasn't decided Arturo's fate. Instead, the judge is making sure every constitutional right is fully understood before a single plea is accepted. In American courts, this process protects both the integrity of the case and the defendant's rights, ensuring that no plea can later be challenged as uninformed or involuntary.
Review that with your attorney. Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand your charge in counts 1 through 5 with possession of a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine in each count. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could sentence you up to 10 years in each of the counts and up to a $10,000 fine in each count? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do believe.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Contreras Santos, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Is English your first language?
Second language.
All right. Have you been able to understand all of this paperwork that's in English?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you need an interpreter?
No.
And what's your native language?
Spanish.
Counsel, did you advise your client of the consequences of pleading no contest or guilty in each of the counts in the application of federal immigration law?
Yes, Your Honor, and in fact, court appointed Miss Teresa Cole Nettles to.
Jose Davila?
Yes, Judge, and she wrote a Padilla letter for him, and he has a copy of that as well.
All right. Mr. Santos, were you able to adequately confer with Miss Teresa Coles Davila, your immigration attorney, as it relates to this specific case?
Yeah, yes, yes, sir.
Were you informed of the consequences of entering a plea?
This moment carries consequences that reach far beyond the criminal charges. For non-citizens, a plea agreement can trigger immigration actions, including removal proceedings or barriers to future legal status. That's why the judge carefully confirms that Arturo has received legal advice specifically about how this decision could affect his future in the United States.
And how it impacts your immigration status.
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you believe your client understands the consequences of entering a plea in each of these counts as it relates to his immigration issues?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, the state is proceed on counts 1 through 5. Punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 10 years in the prison. There's a $0 fine. State opposes your application. They will take in consideration 2022 CR 11150, and there should be Chapter 62 compliance. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, do you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State,
It is the state's understanding, Your Honor.
showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to count 1, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
Count 2, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
Count 3, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
Count 4, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
Count 5, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
State any evidence.
The state offers an evidence, State's Exhibit 1 and its attachments pending any objections.
Any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
Show you what's entitled wavering consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right. So what I can tell you all is there's just a moment. Oh, we have to keep it open because of the air. All right, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court.
Although the court has accepted the plea and found sufficient evidence, the case is not over. By ordering a pre-sentence investigation, the judge is gathering more information before making a final sentencing decision. That report can influence how the court evaluates the defendant's background, circumstances, and future supervision.
And I'm going to ask that it be expedited. So everyone just give me a moment. All right, counsel, we're going to give you a reset date. What we'll do is we will let you know this afternoon.
Sure, Judge.
Yes, so I'm trying to get the reset date as close as possible and not have it go into September or something like that.
Understood, Your Honor.
So we will let you know this afternoon and you can let your client know. All right, so I'm just gonna have the deputy, can you make sure you hold on to him? Is that possible? Till 1:30. We should know by 1:30, the date they'll be able to give us.
Right, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, as I'm covering for a colleague of mine, I believe one of the items of evidence that was admitted contained sensitive images in an envelope, so I'd just like to move to have those sealed pending the inspection by the court, of course.
Yes.
For the sentence.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else?
And lastly, I do have a number of night mag rejections. Would you like to do them now or at the time of the sentence?
We can do them at the time of the sentencing, however you all prefer to do it.
That's fine at the time of sentencing.
Okay, and then to the state, you'll need to file a motion so that the clerks will have it that you're asking that the be sealed.
To seal a formal motion.
Yes.
Very good. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Great, thank you.
May we-
Court is calling 2022 CR 76